She doesn't quite know what to do yet. Oh, she doesn't like it, Mom.
Is it good, sweetie?
Apparently not. Dad, you gotta come watch this.
She's getting the hang of
She
it.
doesn't like the way it tastes.
Excuse me, Auntie.
She doesn't like it.
It's because she's not used to it.
Maybe it doesn't taste good.
It's got my breast milk in it, dude.
She doesn't like it, dude.
She's also got an audience, though.